हाय, दिस इज अंकित तिवारी और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल मोटिवेशन फॉर ऑल।
Hello friends, this video is for the ALP candidates of RRB Sikandrabad. This video will be in the English language only because South Indian students are not able to understand the Hindi language. That's why I decided to make this video in English language only. So how many students can be cleared of waiting in 1 to 1.5 years? I will discuss all the facts and data about RRB Sikandrabad in this video. These are the calculation created by me based on estimation and RTI replies, and also thanks to Nitin Singh. He helps me a lot for this calculation and providing all the data regarding RRB Sikandrabad. I will show all the calculation in last part of the video, so stay with us. Let's start with ECOR zone. So total 487 vacancies are there in ECOR zone for Wattler division. In first panel, total 127 students are get impelled for Wattler division, and in second panel, total 353 students are get impelled for Wattler division. So there is still 7 seats are vacant from ECOR division, and for South Central Railway, it's the biggest zone in which almost 6 divisions are there in South Central Railway. These are the Guntkal, Guntur, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Nanded and Sikandrabad. So in the first panel, total 928 students are get impelled for South Central Railway, and in second panel 1664 students are get impelled. So still there 54 seats are vacant from South Central Railway, and total vacancies there in 2646. And this is the RTI reply, most important RTI reply. This RTI reply from Sikandrabad division. In a first panel, there 428 students are get impelled, but at the time of training, proceeding for training, only 402 students are present there. So 26 students are not turned up in Sikandrabad division, and 4 students are absent at the time of training, and only 352 students get completed their training. So almost 46 plus 4, approx 50 students left their job during training. And one more RTI reply, it's from Wattler division. In first part panel, 127 students get allotted for Wattler division, and 9 students are absent. So it's almost approx 7% data for non-turn up, for 6 to 7%. This is the calculation. Total vacant seats are 61. Still 61 seats are vacant in RRB Sikandrabad, 54 from SCR zone, and 7 seats from ECOR zone. So total waiting 1567 in starting, but now only 817 seats are approx. 1817 students are there in a waiting. Due to medically unfit, absent, and some other things, some students got cleared their waiting. So it's approx calculation. It will be changed, but not too much, almost few percents only. So non-turn up data from these two RTI replies, all calculated impelled students, non-turn up will be approx 186. Approx 186, and for all the impelled candidates left during training, it will be a data 11 to 12%. 358 students will be left during training. So approx 556 will be created due to non-turn up and left during the training. And I also added 3% data because a lot of examination like banking and other things, result declared in the month of March, April, May, June. So almost 3% more students will be left their job. So almost 100 seats will be created due to this. So approx 550 plus 100, approx 656 will be created from impelled students. And South Central Railway is a biggest zone, so it almost 3 to 400 seats, 3 to 400 seat will be created within a year due to retirement, transfer and other things. So within a year, approx 1000 plus seats will be created in SCR and ECUR zone. SCR and ECUR zone. So hopefully all the waitings will be cleared for RRB Secunderabad. So don't worry about it. All the waiting will be cleared within a 1 to 1.5 years. So hope for the best. Thank you so much.